Let's tour the Sellwood plan by D.R. Horton. The entry hallway provides access to the upper floor, as well as a coat closet and separate storage room. Plus, you'll appreciate the nearby powder room in the hallway. Just past the storage room is the expansive great room living area. It's light and bright here with large operational windows and LED lighting. The dining and kitchen are great spaces for formal hosting, or take advantage of the large central island for casual meals. Beyond this gorgeous kitchen, near the interior garage entry door, you'll find a generous pantry. Now let's go upstairs to explore the rest of the home. The second floor hallway provides access to 3 spacious secondary bedrooms and the primary. Travel toward the front of the home, and you'll encounter an oversized bedroom that you could use as a bonus room. Here's the shared hallway bathroom that includes a privacy door for the bathtub area. And you'll love the extra space this expansive quartz countertop provides. There are 2 additional secondary bedrooms situated near the middle of the hallway, with each providing its own storage closet, LED lighting, and a functional window. Across the hallway is the conveniently located laundry room that includes a linen closet and folding counter. Now, let's explore the expansive private bedroom suite. You'll love to relax and unwind in this private retreat. The private bath includes a spacious walk-in closet. You'll also enjoy a separate water closet, a generous glass-enclosed step-in shower, and 2 separate vanities flanking a lovely picture window. Ready to see more? Just give us a call at 206-681-1770 and we'll help you find the new D.R. Horton home that's right for you.